What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Cosmos Atom versus Polkadot. Today we are looking at which of these blockchains has the winning interoperability factor. This basically means which blockchain is the best regarding user experience. Since each blockchain has a different way of operation, users get different features and benefits for different purposes.
They can't change your past, but they can offer you a purpose.
Cosmos and Polkadot is pretty close in regards to this specific aspect. However, there is only place for one winner in this game of decentralization. So which one is it gonna be? We will find out together in this video. But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free. Check it out in the description. It'll also be pinned in the comments. All right then, let's go. The Polkadot blockchain and the Cosmos blockchain share a similar goal. They both want to create an interoperability layer between all other different cryptos. Both platforms support smart contracts and have unique scaling solutions to reduce network congestion. Although they have a lot in common, there are some key differences between the two different protocols. In this video, we'll consider those differences, compare the Polkadot cryptocurrency with the Cosmos Atom coin, and speculate on which platform might be the long-term winner. Today's blockchain networks are like islands. Although they're close to each other, they're not connected technically. While there is some basic interoperability, for example, Bitcoin on Ethereum, there is no efficient connection between all of these chains. This is unfortunate because the more connections that there are between blockchains, the more useful they all become in whole. There's a lot of talk in the crypto community about the network effect. The more people use the service and the more valuable it becomes. Well, one of the fastest ways to grow the cryptocurrency network effect would be to connect all of these blockchains together seamlessly. If a smart contract on Ethereum can trigger a stablecoin payment on the Solana network, that brings a whole new value proposition to crypto. It's much more valuable than blockchain being separated from each other.
You gotta keep them separated.
Now, let's take a look at both of these blockchains scale, starting with Polkadot. How does Polkadot scale? Polkadot scales through the use of parachains, as we've talked about in previous videos. A parachain is a side chain that runs parallel to the main Polkadot blockchain, and that's where the name parachain comes from. Projects built on different parachains can communicate with each other using a cross-chain message passing, and they can use the Polkadot security mechanism to reach consensus. Currently, there's a maximum limit of 100 parachains. There is no lower bound to the number of parachains, and Polkadot could not function normally without any of these parachains running. Ultimately, Polkadot believes that by using parachains, they will be able to scale up to 1 million transactions per second. That would enable Polkadot to handle most of the blockchain traffic in the entire world, even as blockchain usage continues to grow. It should be pointed out, though, that these scaling claims are theoretical and have not been proven under real-world conditions yet due to the nature. Let's take a look at how Cosmos scales. One of the advantages of Cosmos is that it allows developers to create blockchains within the Cosmos ecosystem, utilizing plug-and-play tools to speed up that building process. For example, Cosmos provides developers with a pre-existing network infrastructure and application layer technology and the consensus mechanism that it's built upon. Developers who want to create a blockchain can use these tools quickly to launch a brand new network. All of this is what's known as Cosmos Software Development Kit, or SDK. This is how Cosmos scales. Anyone can create their own blockchain. Since all of these networks are running separately, the Cosmos blockchain does not get congested.
We're just gonna go down to my office now.
These tools are a huge advantage since they speed up the blockchain development process while also making blockchains more secure. Since blockchain technology is relatively new, it's quite common for developers to have mistakes in their code when they create a new network or protocol. An SDK provides code that is tested and secure so that the chance of there being a vulnerability is much lower. But how do these blockchains compete in regards to interoperability? How about them pertaining to their tokens? And which one is going to win this particular race? We're about to answer all of that in this video. Although Polkadot and Cosmos allow developers to build on top of their platforms, the larger purpose of both platforms is to bring a new level of interoperability to the entire blockchain ecosystem. Here's how each of them is trying to do that, starting with Cosmos. First, Cosmos interoperability. Cosmos has a technology that they call IBC, or the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. This is the protocol that they use to connect different blockchain networks. Using IBC, networks can exchange data and tokens with Cosmos as the bridge between them. In this way, Cosmos could be a catalyst for decentralized apps, giving developers the confidence that their applications can scale and benefit from the network effect of various blockchains. Complexity is reduced via a hub and zone model. Instead of each blockchain having to connect to every other blockchain, they connect via a centralized hub. Once a blockchain has joined Cosmos, relayers scan the state of different ledgers for changes.
As you are undoubtedly gathering, the anomaly is systemic, creating fluctuations in even the most simplistic equations.
When a relayer finds a state change, they relay that back through Cosmos to another blockchain. In addition to connecting external blockchain, there's also a hub and zone model that Cosmos uses to connect the blockchains built on top of the protocol, like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Switching gears to Polkadot interoperability. On Polkadot, all the parachains and external blockchains connect to the main chain via a bridge. According to Polkadot, bridges are ways for two economically sovereign and technologically diverse chains to communicate with each other. In other words, bridges are what make it possible to connect blockchains together like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In fact, Polkadot even has a grant program that can fund developers who want to create bridges between other blockchains using Polkadot, which may see innovation on Polkadot growing just like the DeFi space. In practice, the Polkadot bridges and the Cosmos IBC protocol function in a very similar way, and they both enable a similar outcome: interoperability, again, just executed differently. So let's talk about DOT versus Atom. There's a great use case for interoperability network like what's being provided by Cosmos and Polkadot. However, there probably won't be a demand for two different protocols that do the same thing in the long run. Over the long term, that's what we're likely to see, is that one of these networks gains the majority of the users. Like a social media platform, one protocol will get the network effect, it will attract all the new users, and the other protocol will lose most of its market share. Which protocol will win out in the end? I'm gonna give you a prediction now.
How many did we win? One.
The Polkadot DOT token is doing something better in terms of price, and it's now in the top 10 of current market cap at a discount, in my opinion, at $12.74 and a 12.5 billion market cap, circulating supply of 977 million tokens. The Atom token still has a lot to prove. At a price of around $11, the token has a market cap of only 2.4 billion and a circulating supply of 218 million tokens. Atom is about 37th in the market cap rank, which is significantly lower than Polkadot. Price predictions aside, it will be up to the market to decide which set of features is more important. It won't happen overnight, but in the battle between Cosmos and Polkadot, we'll probably have a clear winner in the next couple of years, but we'll try to make our prediction right now. Polkadot versus Cosmos interoperability. Cosmos and Polkadot have a lot in common, although Cosmos offers developers slightly more freedom to build their own blockchains. The Polkadot parachains are also quite flexible in how they can be deployed. Upcoming parachain auctions are also causing investors to make all kinds of crazy Polkadot price predictions, comparing Polkadot now with Ethereum back in 2017 in the early days. Those who support the project say that Polkadot is the better investment. In terms of connectivity, the Cosmos blockchain supports multiple hubs, so the scaling possibilities are nearly endless. On Polkadot, a developer can create a bridge from an external blockchain to the Polkadot main chain, thus achieving interoperability. The Polkadot team even describes a bridge as a type of virtual parachain. However, the Cosmos SDK developer toolkit is truly unique and offers a lot of developer advantages and value to people who want to build their own blockchain, better than Polkadot. Polkadot and Cosmos both offer a scalable developmental environment as well as a way to connect third-party blockchains together. However, Polkadot has a huge and obvious advantage: the market. So we think that Polkadot is going to win the interoperability race since it's already in the 9th place with market cap. Money talks. Sure, Cosmos can take off and blow up and try to catch up, but we all know that blockchain projects prosper based on community support, which Polkadot already has established. With all that being said, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your opinion on this if you think Atom or Polkadot is gonna win this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video right here in the top right corner on Cosmos versus Solana. See you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.